Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you the collection of Camlin pens which I am having. So this is the set of pens which right now I am having with me. These all are Camlin pens and different varieties of Camlin pens from the smallest Camlin mini pen. This is called the Camlin mini pen and it is the smallest pen. From that to the elegant pen. Okay, one by one I will be showing the pens. This brand is Camlin, but I don't know what model it is. I was not able to find out the model because nowadays this is not available. This I got in a shop. It was it was in almost very old pen. So I got it. I had to clean it up and then it got into a good condition, working condition. So this is, I don't know the model of this. This also, as you can see, the Camlin is there on the brand over here. And this is also Camlin one. We can get over the internet the Camlin, but I don't know what brand it is. I mean, what number Camlin it is. Like it is Camlin, but there are some numbers for the brand. Nowadays, which we get with the numbers. Like for example, this one is the 2R. This Camlin pen is called 2R and this is available even in online shops and even in some local shops. This is available. These are economical range. The upper ones are very economical range. Till here it is very economical. From here we have different range, higher level pens also. This one, this I got it from online shop and I'll be sharing you the link of this shop also for online website from which I got it. This one is called the Camlin 2R pen and this one are really economical and very good to use. They have a fine tip nib and nice pens for day-to-day use. These are eyedropper models and this is really economical pen and it is good that Camlin these pens are still available. Some are available on the online shops. Now this one is called the Camlin 3R. This one is like this. You can see the shape of the pen. And this I have two. One is in blue color and one is in grey color. So I have these two brands, two pens of this brand. This is Camlin 3R. And then I have Camlin 36R. These ones are 36R brands and you can see the Camlin brand is there. Camlin, Kokuyo Camlin. Okay, nowadays whichever pens are in market, they come with the engraving Kokuyo Camlin. Okay, I think you can see the engraving on the pen. So this one is Kokuyo Camlin and this is 36R. Here it is the 36R engraved in the cap, 36. This I have in 3 colors. This is available even in local markets, some pens shops. I got it one from the local market and 2 from online websites. And this is really good pen. This pen is really good. It writes medium to fine and for day-to-day use it is really good. I'll be posting a writing sample of this also in my next videos. This one is Camlin 36R and this is also a really economical pen range, economical. And then this one, Camlin 11R. This one is the Camlin 11R. Actually Camlin 11R, these two pens are there which I was able to get it from the online stores, online shopping. And this one is actually, I think it is 11R, but this I had purchased long ago when I was a student. It is more than 25 years old pen and it is still in a working condition. Very nice pen. I have changed the nib, but the pen is in still very good condition and working fine. So I think that time they had launched the pen with this graphics. Nowadays this pen is not available in this graphics. So nowadays it is in color. Okay, this will come in single colors So this is Camlin 11R, and then we have the Camlin Prescia. This is a cartridge system fountain pen, and as you can see, the Camlin is there on the cap clip. And this is a cartridge system pen. This is also very less found. I couldn't find it everywhere. Just one pen in my city I found. I searched many shops. Online, I think it is available in some online stores. This is also a reasonable pen, just for 50 rupees, I think so. You will get this pen. This is a cartridge system fountain pen. It's a Camlin brand. And then the next pen is a piston filler pen, and I think in Camlin this is the only piston filler fountain pen, and I have three colors of this. One is black, maroon, and light blue color. These pens, you can say, the most economical range of piston filler pens. These are available in the market as well as online, and very reasonable pens. And this one is Camlin 47P pen. This is 47P. And then we have the Trinity, Camlin Trinity. This approximately you get it for cost of 100 rupees, and this is available in the online market, in online small shoppings, and also locally, but you need to search for the pen shops for this. But online it is easily available on many websites. This is the most running brand, I think so, right now, the Camlin Trinity. This is the 3-in-1 mechanism pen, fountain pen, cartridge, converter, and also the direct fill. You can directly fill it, but I have not tried it directly. I use a converter in this. And then the next range is this is Camlin Elegant, and this is costing approximately 200 rupees plus shipping, etc. And this is the Camlin Elegant pen. Okay, a very good pen, really good for 200 rupees range. The most bulkiest pen in this range of pens which I am having, Camlin Elegant. And then this one pen I found. I don't know whether it was produced for as a instant for a few months or what. This is Camlin Ballet, and you can see Camlin is engraved on the pen. And this is I think it's a vintage pen. It is not available, not found in website, not found anywhere. I tried to search when it was produced or when it was marketed. This one is the Camlin Ballet. You can see the shape of the pen. It is looking like a ballet, what do you say, a female type shape. I found this pen luckily, and I think so it is a vintage pen. I don't know whether it is available now anywhere else or no, but it was a very good finding for me. I was lucky to get this pen. This is a good one. It is a mini pen, as you can see, with a small nib, but it is really writing very good. Although when I found it, you can see there is a small crack in the pen. This was found in this condition, but I was lucky to get this pen. And this is a rare collection for me, this pen, Camlin Ballet. So this was the collection of my Camlin pens. That's it for now. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be updating more videos. Thank you for watching. Good day. Take care. Bye bye.